How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can unlock FPS in Geometry Dash 2.2. Now, it's going to work all the same for mobile devices, for computers, or if you have a device that supports Geometry Dash, basically you could just go ahead and follow along. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to open up the application, head over to the main menu, and in here you want to click on the gear button, which is going to be this one. Once inside, of course, you want to click on graphics. In here, we could set our graphics the way we want to, including the texture quality. But in here, you want to look for the advanced option. And then we have the unlock FPS option right here. It lets you set a custom target frames per second, automatically disable when vertical sync is enabled. So just make sure that the vertical sync is disabled in order for the unlock FPS to work. And depending on your case, you could set your own FPS the way you want to, or if you want to go ahead and go crazy, you could just click on the apply button, or maybe we could do something like 200, depending on your preference. And from there, it will then unlock the FPS to whatever number you have set right here. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.